So welcome back dear students. In our today's video we will complete our exercise 1C. So here first question is write in words the following in Indian system. So here the number is given as we know that in Indian system we have a different groups or a periods. After first 3 digit we put a comma, then we'll give a comma after two digits. So you can see here like unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So here you can see it is a 18 lakh. You want to write down it in words. So it is 18 lakh. Again we have 808. So it is 18 lakh 808. 1,000 and 10,000 place is absent here. Okay. The next number is, you can see here, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and then crores. So we have 8 crore, 30 lakh. Again we have 9,007. So here it is 8 crore 30 lakh. This 9 is on 1000 place, 9007. Now we have next question, express in numerals. So these are in the words the numbers are given, we need to write down them in a numerals. So here we have 8 crore 5006. So simple, here 8 we'll write down, and a lakhs place are absent, so we'll put a 2 zeros, then 5,000 is there, means 10,000 place is absent, so we'll give a 0. 5,006. So children, give zeros where that place is absent. Like here you need 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crores. So 6 is a unit place, tens and 100 place is absent, so we have put 2 zeros. Then 5 is on thousands place, 10,000 place is absent, lakh, 10 lakh also absent, directly 8 crore is given. Next is 61 crore 25,406. So 61 crores. Again lakhs places are absent, then we have 25,000. Then next we have 406. I am separating these by groups, periods. After first 3 we'll put a 1 comma, then lakhs, 10 lakhs, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores, and 10 crores. So 61 crore 25,406. Now students, we need to state the place value of. So place value will define the position of that number in a given numeral. So here 8 is on tens place. It is unit, tens, 100. So here 8's place value is you can say 80. 9 in this number we have 17 crore 87 lakh 93,510. So we have 9 on 10,000 place, that means 90,000. So I will write on here it is 90,000. Then we have a 0 in the 7 crore 8 lakh 23,431. So place value of 0 is 0. Place value of 0 is 0. So we need to find the difference between the place values of 3 in this number. So you can see here 3 is occurred 2 times here. 1 is at different place, 1 is at different place. So first of all we'll write down these place values of 3. Here the place value of 3 is, this is at unit, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. So we have this place value, and this place value of this one 3 is 1,000. Okay, now we need to find out the difference. So simply you need to subtract them. After subtracting, we need to write down the result. So we'll get here 2 crore 99 lakh 97,000. So 2 crore 99 lakh 97,000. Then next we have to find out the difference between the place value of phi here. So place values are, here we'll write down it is at lakh place, okay, and this one is at unit place. So we'll get here 4,99,995. Here we'll remove 10 minus 5 and this all remaining 9, and this 5 will turn into the 4. Next we need to write down express in expanded form. So 6,348 we'll write down in the expanded form as place value of 6 is 1000. So 6 multiplied by 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 4 is at tens place and 8 is at unit place or ones place. Then we have 9,50,842. Okay, so we'll write down 9 lakhs. Then 50 is at 1000 place. Then 0 is 0. Then you have 800 plus 42. So in this way you can write down them in expanded form. It is at unit place, so 2 into 1. 4 is at tens place, so 4 into 10. 8 is 100 place, so 8 into 100. And 0 is, you will write down 0 plus 50,000 place. You can say 5 into 1000 also you can take. Now dear students, we need to write down the numbers which are given in expanded form. We need to write down their numerals. So here unit, tens, 100, 1000 and it is 10,000. All the places are present. So we can directly write down them. But if suppose any one place is missing, you need to put 0 there. So this number is so easy. This is gonna be 57,816. 57,816. But if you see here, we are having unit place, tens place is absent, then 100, then 1000, then 10,000. Okay, then we have here missing places. So here, dear students, I will put here 7. That is on unit place. Here tens place is absent. So I will write down as 0. Then 100 place is there. Then we'll put a comma. Then it is 1000 place is there 2, and 10,000 place it is 42. Then we have lakhs place absent, so we'll put a 0. Then 10 lakh. So here we'll get a 60,42,107. Directly 10 lakhs place is given. Lakhs place is absent. Tens place is absent, so we'll put a here 0. So 60,42,107. Now we need to arrange these numbers largest to the smallest one. So you can see here 5,90,000, 5,09,000, 7,95,000 and 9,07,000. So obviously 9 lakh is greater one. So we'll write down 9,07,652. We'll give a semicolon to difference them. Then we'll write down a 7,95,072. Then among them we have a 5,90,000 greater one. Then 5,09,762. Largest to smallest. Next here you will see we have 60 lakh, 89 lakh, and this is the 9 crores and this is also 9 crores. So between them we will compare. It is a 9 crore 13 and it is 9 crore 31. So obviously 31 is greater. So we'll take 9 crore 31. Then afterwards we'll take 9 crore 13, then 60 and 89 lakh. So obviously 89 lakh, we are just comparing the initials. 89 lakh 79,561. At last we have 60 lakh 9,320. So in this way we have arranged them. In this question, children, we need to compare each of the following pairs by putting less than or greater than symbol in the box. So children, as you can see, we can compare them. It is a 16,23,168 and it is just 3,63,516. So obviously 16 lakh is greater. So we'll give a greater symbol here. Then we have 16 crores 43 lakh 17,345. And here also 16 crore 17,453. So we'll just check out this one. Here 345 is there and here 453 is there. So obviously 453 is greater. Then we have 30 lakh 17,894 and here we have 4 crores 29 lakh 17,894. So 4 crores greater. Then we have 86 lakh 60,000 and here 86 lakh 59,999. So obviously this one is greater. 60,000 here, 59,000 is there. Now children, we need to write down MCQ. The number whose expanded form is, this is 60 lakh 40,000 plus 2,000 plus 100 plus 7. So it is just gonna be 60 lakh 42,107. So here 6 lakh is there, so wrong. 60 lakh 42,170, it is wrong. 64 lakh 2,107, it is wrong. We have a 60 lakh 42,107. This is gonna be right. In this question, the higher order thinking skills, write the smallest 8-digit odd number using all odd digits. So children, we have odd digits 0 to 9. In between that, we need to write down only odd ones. So odd ones are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So by using these 5 digits, we need to write down the smallest 8-digit odd number. So if we arrange them here, we'll get a 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, already we get a 4-digit here. Remaining we will use ones. We want a 8 digits total. That means we will get here this one as the smallest 8-digit number. That is also which one? By using all odd digits. What I have done, I have used these all digits. I have used 1 maximum times. We want our smallest one, and the remaining 3, 5, 7, 9 I have used here. So it become 1 crore 11 lakh 13,000 579. So this number became 1 crore 11 lakh 13,579. And you can take a successor of this number just by doing plus 1 in this. So if we do plus 1, so you will get this number 1 crore 11 lakh 13,580. So this will be the successor. Successor of any number you will get by adding just plus 1.